imagination. Okay? So I'm going to take imaginary coins in front of you dyan sa table. Imagination mo naman. Let's say, yung 1 peso coin, yung 25 centavo coin, and the 5 peso coin. Okay? 3 coins lang naman. 1, 25, and... Okay, with the right hand, kumuha ng isang coin. Good. Ano yung ginawa mo? 5. I want you to toss it and catch it. Okay. Open your hand, use your imagination, tignan mo, decline heads or tails. Heads. So we have 3 coins. You could have chosen 1, you could have chosen 25, you chose 5. You could have chosen tails, you chose heads. So 5 pesos heads. Right? Sige, basahin mo yung sinulat ko. So, imagine ninyo, kung nagawa ko makapili siya nun, ano pa kaya yung produkto na binibenta nyo? Eh, nakita nyo ba na ginamit ko lahat ng mga tinuro ko sa inyo mula kanina?